Hi guys, it was my birthday yesterday, and I wanted this, get into photography, so got the Nikon D3000 with the 1855 VR, some stuff there, not a lot in the box really, just pictures really. Registered within 30 days for an extra 12 months free guarantee. Right, let's crack on. I can't actually see where I'm, what I'm doing in the camera, so I'm gonna have to just kind of keep getting up and looking at it. So excuse me for that. Okay, so first of all we've got the manual, like all sorts of stuff. There you go. Flash mode, blah 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 blah. Quick start guide, how to set it up. But this shouldn't be too bad. I'm just gonna move it along slightly. There you go. CD-ROM, some warranty stuff, I guess. Move it up a little bit as well. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Nikon worldwide service warranty. So you peel it off, peel it open. Got all sorts of stuff on there. Okay, let's go for this little box because I know what's in the boxes. But okay, we have the power cable. This is UK, so it's got the three pin thing. Nikon strap. USB cable. Always handy to have another one, even though it's just standard USB mini thing stuff. We have a eyepiece cover. Let's just get this out. DK5. So there's that. Let's put that somewhere safe, it's rather small. Battery charger. So you just plug your old power in there, slot it in. The battery's here. And this is a 1080 milliamp battery. So there's that, and I really hope you can see what I'm doing here. Slide in like that. Done. Okay, moving on. We're going to go for this one because I know what's in this one. This is the 18-55 VR. It was strange because the non-VR version was actually more to buy. I don't know why. Okay, so there you go. VR, hope you can see this okay. Let's turn on the old macro. Is that clear? Hope so. VR, 1855, f1.3 to 5.6, and then the AFS. So it focuses with the D3000. I'm going to stand up so I can see what I'm doing here. So, auto manual focus, VR on or off. What we got here, made in Thailand. Nice and clean. I'm going to put that straight back on because I have a filter to go on it and I don't want to get it mucky. The end. Gonna be careful with this. Okay, so that's that. And then the main piece of resistance. Oh, hang on. There we go. Almost got rid of the quality then. God, it's heavy. But heavy's good though. Hope it's got a body cap on it. Yeah, it has. Good. D3000. Oh. So I'm going to do a thorough explanation of all the stuff. But there's the viewfinder, and there's a I don't know how he says it, diopter or something, adjustment for if you wear glasses or if you've got poor eyesight in your eye or whatever, which I have, so I need to adjust it. Is guide mode. How long is this video? That's okay. Will that help? There you go. Yeah, guide mode, different modes and stuff. On off. Scroll wheel, D-pad, eyepiece, obviously the screen. Down the side we've got the AV out and USB cables, input. There's the inside, but I'm not going to keep that open for dust, obviously. Memory card slot, and yeah, that's pretty on. Just get the old flash. How do you make it work? I don't know. But anyway, let's put it on. Where's the body? The lens. It's very dusty, this floor, so I'm going to be careful. Let's get the old dots. Line them up. There we go, and that's done. Let's put the battery in. I think we've got enough time to do all this. So, I don't know if there's any charge on it. Maybe, maybe not. Yep, English. Yeah, London. Day, month, the year, because we're different to American. 2010, 6th and 3rd. The time, oh, I've not got a clue. 10:37 in the morning. Nice buttons as well. Let's go for 40. Done. Okay, so we're on the guide mode at the minute, but I probably won't use that because I've learned about how to use different settings and stuff, so I'll probably go straight to M or some stuff. So here's your thing. Got two bars battery. Oh, and then if you change the, I've got no idea what buttons you have to press. But let's take a picture. Just put that polarizer on. I've got bought from Curry's for £3. So it's only for a day. Tomorrow I've ordered a load of stuff. I should get tomorrow. So oh, it's so dusty though. Oh, great. Anyway, we'll take a picture with the thing on. With the no thing on. Maybe we won't. Okay, so it doesn't work because I've got no SD card in there, which is actually the one I'm going to use for this. So I can't really do much with it at the minute. Actually, I do have one. Got that one. Bear with me, people. While I find it. No, hang on. No, don't worry. I'll stop it and then I'll come back.